In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product and blog categories in Wix 2026 guide. If you're building a store or a blog on Wix, clear categories make your content easier to browse and faster to find. Wix treats product categories as top-level groups, but you can use them like subcategories under your main product collection. For blogs, categories behave like subfolders that help readers jump straight to the topics they care about. Let's walk through both step by step, and I'll share tips to keep everything organized and search friendly. Start with your store. From your Wix dashboard, open the site you're working on and head to Catalog, then Products. This is your home base for organizing inventory. In the product area, look for Create Category. Click it to spin up a new group. Give your category a clear, shopper-friendly name like babies or bakery. Short, descriptive terms work best. Add an image that represents the group at a glance, and write a concise description. That description helps customers understand what they'll find and also gives search engines helpful context. So include a couple of relevant keywords without stuffing. Next, assign products to the category. Select the items that belong in this group so they appear together when shoppers filter or browse. In Wix, these categories act as subcategories of your all products collection, letting you break a large catalog into smaller, manageable sections. Think of it as building shelves within your main store. Customers can jump to exactly what they need, and you maintain a clean, logical structure behind the scenes. Keep names consistent, avoid overlapping meanings, and use images with a similar style so the experience feels cohesive. Now let's organize your blog. In the dashboard, go to the blog section and choose categories. Create a new category and set a header that defines the topic. This header is what readers will see when they land on the category page, so keep it clear and inviting. Then assign your posts to the appropriate categories. Doing this builds a simple hierarchy for your blog feed where each category becomes a subtopic of your overall blog. Aim for categories that are broad enough to cover several posts but specific enough to be useful. Think guides, recipes, or small business tips rather than overly niche labels you'll only use once. And that's it. With well-named product categories and thoughtfully grouped blog posts, your site becomes easier to navigate, more search-friendly, and far more helpful to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.